everyone, and welcome back to my DIY channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, today's video I am going to be unboxing. So I'm going to be unboxing this that I got from Michaels, and I am so excited to share with you. Also, this video is not sponsored. This is just my personal review that I'm going to be giving on this artist loaf. So let's begin with the unboxing. Also, before we start with the video, I just want to say that if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, you are missing out. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. Let's begin now with the video. Okay, so this is how the box looks like. Basically, this is the back side. It explains what the set includes. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, I am so excited for this, you guys. I'm just gonna show you guys the front. So this is what is included.
A few moments later.
I just love how it comes in this portfolio bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbuckle this and show you guys what's stored inside. So first thing it comes with is this book that is basically an introduction to any beginners who are new to drawing, painting. The book explains different techniques for shading or painting as well. So this is actually a very helpful book. Next, it comes with these watercolor pads as well. And moving on to the palette. And it's a hard, nice plastic material. And then moving on with these are basically just more mini canvases. And then moving on to the other side, here they have is a separate pencil case, and inside of it there are different shading pencils, as you can see. And then it also comes with some more pencils as well as pencil crayons with different colors, and also a sharpener, which actually looks really nice, and also a eraser. Moving on, the next item is basically a brush carrier. The carrier is a really nice thick material, and then as you can see, these are the paint knives. I believe that's what these are called. There's 3 different types of them in this. And then these are the paint brushes that are included in the set. Next, here we have different watercolor cakes. So they come in different shades from light to a bit darker. And basically, if you remove the plastic cover, this is how they look like. Here we have are the pastels, and I'm just gonna take one out and just test it out a little bit on a piece of paper. It also comes with these watercolor paints as well. And here it is, guys. Now let's put everything back together. Perfect. Now we're gonna move on to the next item, which is here we have is the easel. So basically we're just gonna build this up. It shouldn't be so hard, but let's see. So this is how it comes with, and so it's already built. I'm just gonna simply unlock these locks on it so that I can open up the easel completely. So there's 2 types of locks, one in the middle and one at the bottom. So I'm gonna open up all 3 of them so they can open up completely. And then once I've opened all 3 of them, the 3 of the legs actually of the easel, I'm just gonna simply lock them so that way they stay put. And then I'm just gonna open it up like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna unlock the top part so I can bring it all the way to the top so that I would be able to fit my canvas. So as you can see, that's simply what I'm doing. I'm trying my best to explain it as much detail as possible right now, guys. I'm so sorry. So I'm just gonna lock this right now, and then this is basically a part that I put at the bottom there, right in the middle actually, so that's where the canvas is gonna be going. Oh no. Tie the back part, and it has like a little zip tag, I believe, and just attach that, and here it is, you guys, the complete
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. Also, like I said, that this video, it was not sponsored by Michaels or Artist Loaf, but if you're watching this video, you can always sponsor me. I'm definitely going to test out the art supplies probably in my next video.
Today's video shout out goes to Star 101. Shout out to you.
Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. All my video updates, be sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _theamanpreetmatharu. Also, to watch more quick and easy DIY projects and arts and craft videos, be sure to check out my TikTok. It's _preetmatharu. The links are down in the description below. Also, I have a quick announcement to make. I have been working on this for quite some time, and I have created a project called Confidence Through Creativity. The project stands upon helping kids and young adults build their self-confidence through the help of art. Many people underestimate the power of art, and it's a way of self-expression. Art has the power to allow individuals like you and me to help express our thoughts, feelings, and emotions. What inspired me to create this project and name it Confidence Through Creativity was mainly because it focuses on helping people who struggle with low self-confidence. I myself have struggled with this during middle school. It helped me become the person that I am today. I wasn't always this confident. As a kid, I was very shy, reserved, and had no self-confidence in myself. And now, you see me making YouTube videos on what I am passionate towards. Art came as a miracle in my life and made me this confident that I am able to share my story and give people the solution on how to build their confidence. I have created this Facebook page to better connect with each and every one of you. On this page, I will be posting DIY videos from my YouTube channel and other 5-minute DIY videos that I will be also posting on this Facebook page. Knowledgeable posts, and being able to interact with every one of you by going live on Facebook. And also having weekly art challenges, and so much more to offer. And did I mention that this is absolutely free to join? And I have also created a Facebook group where once you're in the group, you can post videos of yourself attempting to do art challenges, engage with others, and post photos of artworks you've made. The intention for this group is to be all about being creative and helping you and others build self-confidence. And this is also absolutely free to join. My goal here is to build a community who I can help inspire many people like you to unleash your creativity through these videos. Join the world of art and unleash your creative side by just clicking the join button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, stay creative, and see you next time. Bye!